What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Sleep Lean before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you're going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Sleep Lean works. What is Sleep Lean? Sleep Lean is a natural nighttime weight management supplement designed to help you burn fat, improve sleep quality, and balance hormones, all while you rest. Unlike typical fat burners loaded with stimulants, Sleep Lean works with your body's natural rhythms. It targets the nighttime repair and recovery phase, supporting metabolism, reducing late-night cravings, and promoting deep restorative sleep. How does Sleep Lean work? Science shows that poor sleep increases weight gain by boosting hunger hormones and slowing metabolism. Sleep Lean helps you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and reach deeper sleep stages, allowing your body to repair and burn fat more efficiently.